friends, Valentine's Day is coming up, and we're going to talk about hearts. The day it rained hearts. One day it started raining hearts, and Cornelia Augusta caught one, and then she caught another, and another. It wasn't very hard, so she caught some more. It must be getting close to Valentine's Day, she thought, and she set to work making valentines. The hearts she caught would make perfect hearts. Cornelia Augusta saw that all of her hearts were different. She looked at each one from front to back, and then back to side and side to side, and decided which one would be just right for her friends. She found 7 that were more or less alike and strung them together with a needle and thread. I know just the right person for this one, she thought. Then Cornelia Augusta took an especially handsome heart and pasted it to the top of a piece of paper. In the center of the heart, she glued a cotton ball, one that was very white and very soft, and she knew instantly who this card would be for. Cornelia Augusta had 8 hearts left. One of the largest ones she drew circles and then carefully cut them out. The other hearts were so small, she arranged them on one piece of paper. Around the heart, she painted patterns of many colors. Then she folded her design in half. There was no doubt in her mind who would receive these. Cornelia put a stamp on each of her valentines and mailed them. It never rained hearts again. Not where Cornelia Augusta lived anyways. But look, all of her hearts made it to her friends. But it didn't matter, because next year, and the next year, and all the years after that, Cornelia Augusta found other ways to make valentines. This year, they grew on trees. How can you make valentines? Bye, friends.